Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we discussed about various physical effects like hydrogen bonding, van der Waals interactions, dipole-dipole interactions, and electronic displacements like inductive effect. In today's lecture, we will discuss other electronic displacements like electromagnetic effect, resonance effect, and their applications. Electromagnetic effect is shown by those compounds which contain multiple bonds. It involves complete transfer of shared pair of pi electrons to one of the bonded atom in presence of attacking reagent. Inductive effect is permanent effect, whereas electromagnetic effect is temporary effect. It remains as long as attacking reagent is present. If attacking reagent is removed, the molecule reverts back to its original position. There are two types of electromagnetic effect, plus E effect and minus E effect. If pi electrons of the multiple bond are transferred to that atom to which attacking reagent get attached, then it is known as plus E effect. If pi electrons of the multiple bonds are transferred away from the atom to which attacking group get attached, then it is known as minus E effect. Electromagnetic effect is very useful in explaining the mechanism of organic reactions. Now, comparison of inductive effect and electromagnetic effect. Inductive effect is permanent effect and involves only displacement of electrons, whereas electromagnetic effect is temporary effect and involves complete transfer of electrons to one of the bonded atom. In inductive effect, distortion in the shape of molecular orbital containing the displaced electrons takes place. However, in electromagnetic effect, electron pair of the multiple bonds leaves the molecular orbital completely. In case of inductive effect, only requirement is the presence of polar covalent bond, while in electromagnetic effect, molecule must contain multiple bond which may or may not be polar. No outside attacking reagent is required in inductive effect, while electromagnetic effect takes place only in the presence of attacking reagent. In case of inductive effect, partial separation of charges takes place, while electromagnetic effect involves complete separation of charges. Next is resonance. Many times we see that a molecule can be represented by two or more valence bond structures, but none of the structure can explain all the observed properties of that molecule. The actual structure lies in between various contributing structures. The various contributing structures are called canonical structures and the actual structure is called resonance hybrid. So resonance can be defined as the concept of hybridization of two or more valence bond structures so as to arrive at entirely new and individual structure which can explain all the observed properties of that molecule. Say for example, in case of benzene can be represented by two conventional or valence bond structure represented by structure number 1 and 2. In both these structures, there are present alternating single and double bond. But we know that in case of benzene, all the carbon-carbon bond lengths are equivalent and intermediate between single and double bond. Resonance hybrid structure of benzene has 151 kilojoule per mole of energy, less than that of the contributing structure. This represents the resonance energy. This slide shows various resonating structures of various compounds like carbon dioxide, which is represented by 3 resonating structures, 1,3-butadiene, which is also represented by 3 valence bond structures, and carboxylic acid represented by 2 resonance structures. Now we will discuss what are the necessary conditions for resonance. First and most important condition is that various contributing structures should differ only in the position of pi electrons, whereas the relative arrangement of atom and hybridization must be same. The atom involved must lie in same plane. Next is the number of paired and unpaired electrons in each contributing structure must be same. This structure is not a valid contributing structure of 1,3-butadiene. Next important condition is that all the contributing structure must have the correct number of valence electrons. This structure cannot be considered as contributing structure because in this structure nitrogen has 10 electrons in its valence shell, which is not possible. Next important condition is that all the contributing structures should have same or nearly same amount of energy and stability. When the contributing structure differ in energy or relative stability, more stable structure contributes more towards resonance hybrid. In deciding relative stability of various canonical structures, following points should be considered. Larger the number of covalent bond in this structure, more is the stability. Now structure number 2 is more stable than structure number 1 and 3 because it has maximum number of covalent bonds. If a structure involves separation of charges, then the structure which has separation of charges contributes less towards resonance than that structure which does not involve any separation of charge. Here no separation of charges takes place, while in this structure separation of charges takes place. So structure number 2 contributes less towards resonance compared to structure number 1. When atoms of different electronegativities are involved, structure with negative charge on more electronegative and positive charge on electropositive atom are relatively stable than alternate structure in which charge are reversed. Say for example, in this structure number 1 is most stable structure because in this structure no separation of charges takes place. Structure number 2 is more stable than structure number 3 because in structure number 2 negative charge is present on electronegative atom and positive charge is present on electropositive atom, while in case of structure number 3 the positive charge is carried by electronegative atom and negative charge is carried by electropositive atom. So stability order is structure number 1 is most stable, then second structure, and least stable is the third structure. The structures in which like charges are on adjacent atoms are unstable. This is highly unstable structure because in this structure like charges are present which cause repulsion and therefore destabilize the structure. Therefore this structure is highly unstable. More the number of contributing structure, more stable is the resonance hybrid. Now what are the various properties of resonance hybrid? First, most important property is stability. Resonance hybrid is always more stable than any of the contributing structure. Now extent of stability of resonance hybrid depends upon the number of contributing structures and their relative stabilities. Next is resonance energy. Resonance energy is the difference in energy between resonance hybrid and more stable canonical or contributing structure. Greater the resonance energy, greater is the stability of resonance hybrid. Resonance energy in case of benzene is 151 kilojoule per mole. This shows that resonance hybrid is 151 kilojoule per mole is more stable than that of canonical structures. Bond length in resonance hybrid are different from those in contributing structure. Oxygen bond length in carbon dioxide is 115 picometer, which is less than the value of 122 picometer of carbon oxygen double bond length. Next is resonance effect. Resonance effect is permanent displacement of electrons due to resonance or mesomerism. It is designated as R or M. Resonance effect is transmitted through pi electrons and operates in unsaturated systems, particularly those containing a suitable atom or a group in conjugation with unsaturated system. So this effect is also termed as conjugative effect. Resonance effect are of two types: plus R or plus M effect, minus R or minus M effect. Minus R effect. Electron withdrawing groups such as carbonyl, ester, cyanide or nitro, when present adjacent to a double bond, they withdraw electrons from the double bond. Such groups which withdraw electrons from the double bond as a result of resonance are said to possess minus R or minus M effect. Groups such as OH, OR, SR, NH2 which contain one or more lone pair of electrons when present adjacent to a double bond donates electrons to the double bond. Such groups which donates electron to the double bond through resonance are said to possess plus R or plus M effect. Say for an example, vinyl chloride, lone pair of electrons on carbon is donated towards unsaturated center. Therefore, it is known to show plus R effect. Similar in case of aromatic amines, in which lone pair of nitrogen is donated towards or is displaced towards benzene nucleus. Therefore, NH2 group is also known to show plus R effect. Now, applications of resonance effect. First is the low reactivity of vinyl and aryl halides. Compared to alkyl halides, vinyl and aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are those reactions in which one nucleophile displaced or substitute other nucleophile. But in case of vinyl halides or aryl halides, due to resonance, there exists a double bond character between carbon and chlorine. Because of this double bond character, this halogen atoms bind strongly to the carbon atom, and that means it gets more firmly attached to the carbon atom and is not easily displaced by other nucleophiles. Acidity of carboxylic acid. Acidic nature of carboxylic acid is due to their ionization in aqueous solution to form carboxylate anion. Carboxylate anion is stabilized by resonance due to minus R effect of CO group. In case of carboxylic acid, there is separation of charges takes place in second structure. Due to separation of charges, this structures becomes less stable and contributes less towards resonance. While in case of carboxylate anion, both these structures are equivalent and contribute equally towards resonance. Therefore, carboxylate anion is better resonance stabilized compared to carboxylic acids, and due to greater stability of carboxylate anion, carboxylic acid show acidic character. Now we will discuss comparison of resonance and inductive effect. Resonance effect operates only in conjugated system through pi electrons, while inductive effect operates in saturated system. It involves displacement of non-bonding and pi electrons. In inductive effect, it involves displacement of sigma electrons. In resonance, electron pair is completely transverse, which leads to the development of fully positive and negative charge. While in case of inductive effect, electron pair is slightly displaced from its position, resulting in partial positive and negative charge development. Resonance effect leads to delocalization of electrons, while in inductive effect, no delocalization of electrons takes place. Resonance effect is long distance effect without change in intensity, while, as you know, inductive effect decreases sharply with increase in distance. Now we discuss comparison of strength of aromatic acid. In case of benzoic acid, phenyl group directly attached to carboxylic group exerts -I effect. It tends to release the electron towards carboxylic group due to +R effect. Now +R effect is more dominating than -I effect. So phenyl group has net electron releasing effect. So benzoic acid is weaker acid than formic acid. Net electron releasing effect of phenyl is less than +I effect of alkyl group. So benzoic acid is stronger acid than aliphatic acids. So we conclude that benzoic acid is stronger acid than aliphatic acid like acetic acid, propanoic acid, etc., because net electron releasing effect of phenyl is less than that of +I effect of alkyl group. But benzoic acid are weaker acid than formic acid due to +R effect of phenyl ring. Now aromatic amines. Aromatic amines are weaker bases than aliphatic amines or ammonia. These aliphatic amines, ammonia or aromatic amines, are basic due to presence of lone pair of electron. As a lone pair of electrons on nitrogen is involved in delocalization or involved in resonance, therefore it is less available for donation to acids. Therefore aromatic amines are weaker bases than aliphatic amines, in which +I effect of R group increases their basic character. Mixed aliphatic, aromatic, secondary and tertiary amines are stronger bases than pure aromatic amines. This is due to the presence of one or more electron releasing alkyl group in the molecule. Electron pair on nitrogen of mixed amine is relatively more available for sharing as compared to pure aromatic amine. The substituted ammonium ion obtained from mixed amine gets stabilized due to dispersion of positive charge by alkyl group. So due to electron releasing effect or +I effect of R group in secondary and tertiary amine, these secondary and tertiary amines are more basic than aromatic amines but less basic than aliphatic amines due to delocalization of lone pair of electrons towards benzene ring. are alkyl amines or benzyl amines. These amines are stronger base than ammonia. This is due to the reason that lone pair of electrons on nitrogen is not involved in resonance with benzene ring. Benzyl group has plus I effect, which help to increase the electron density on nitrogen atom, therefore increases its basic character. Thanks.